Hey there, fellow data enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tutorials to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to export Airtable to Google Sheets in 2025. If you're juggling databases and spreadsheets, this is a game changer for seamless data transfer. Let's jump right in. First off, why bother exporting? Airtable is fantastic for collaborative databases, but Google Sheets shines for real-time sharing and analysis. By the end of this video, you'll have your Airtable data flowing smoothly into Sheets, ready for charts, formulas, and more. To get started, make sure you have an Airtable account with data ready and a Google account linked to Sheets. Step 1. Log into your Airtable workspace and open the base you want to export. Look for the Export option in the top right corner, click it and choose CSV for a universal format. This keeps your data intact and easy to handle. Step 2. Once exported, download the CSV file to your computer. Now, head over to Google Sheets. Create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one. Go to File, Greater than, Import, and select the CSV file you just downloaded. You'll see options to customize the import, like separating data by commas or detecting headers. Adjust these based on your needs. Step 3. After importing, double-check your data for accuracy. Sometimes, dates or numbers might format differently, so tweak cells as needed. Pro tip. Use Google Sheets built-in tools to automate future updates if you're dealing with dynamic data. If you run into issues, like formatting errors, ensure your Airtable views are set correctly before exporting. And remember, in 2025, Airtable might have new integrations, so keep an eye on their updates for even smoother processes. There you have it. That's how to export from Airtable to Google Sheets in just a few simple steps. This method is quick, reliable, and perfect for 2025's tech landscape. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.